In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Behance account. Behance is a great place to showcase your creative work. Connect with other professionals and discover inspiration. Let's walk through the process together so you can get set up quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and go to behance.net. On the top right corner of the homepage, click the Sign In button. A window will appear with options. Instead of signing in, select Create an account. This takes you to the setup choices. You can use a social login Google, Facebook, Apple, or Microsoft, which is fast and convenient. With these, you'll authorize Behance to use basic information from your chosen service. If you'd rather keep things separate, you can continue with your email and create a password. Whichever path you choose, make sure you have access to the email account you are using, as you'll need it shortly. Follow the prompts to verify your account via email. Behance will send a verification message to the address you provided. Open that email and click the verification link to confirm your account. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folder. Verifying ensures your account is secure and fully activated. Next, you'll be asked to fill in your name, email, password, and birth date. Add this information carefully as it forms the foundation of your profile. You'll also select your creative fields areas like graphic design, illustration, photography, or motion. Choose the fields that best represent your work and interests. This helps Behance tailor your experience and makes it easier for others to find you. Now it's time to set up your profile. Add a clear professional profile picture that reflects your personal brand. Create a custom URL for your Behance page so it's easy to share something short, memorable, and aligned with your name or studio. Then add your location and occupation. This helps potential clients and collaborators know where you are based and what you do at a glance. Take a moment to review everything. A complete, accurate profile makes a strong first impression and sets you up for success when you start sharing projects. Once you've saved these details, your account is ready, and you can begin exploring following creators and preparing your first project upload whenever you are ready. That's it. Thanks for watching.